Hi everyone, welcome to WaterFresh.in, your ultimate guide to eco-friendly and effective dry cleaning solutions. I am Anil Kumar and today we are going to talk about something everyone has encountered, that is stains. We'll cover the different types of stains and how to identify these. So let's dive right in it. First, let us understand what stains are. A stain is a discoloration that can be clearly distinguished from the surface, material, or medium it is found upon. Stains are caused by the chemical or physical interaction of two dissimilar materials. There are several types of stains, each requiring different treatment methods. There are four main types of stains. So let's talk about those. First kind of stains are, they are water-based stains. Second, there are oil-based stains. Thirdly, there are protein-based stains. And fourthly, there are combination stains. Now let us look at each of these type of stains individually. Firstly, water-based stains. Water-based stains are usually easier to identify and remove because they dissolve in water. Common examples include coffee, tea, wine, soda. Their characteristics are often appear as dark spot on light fabrics. The stain spreads out with a clear border and can be sticky or wet to touch. Second type of stain is oil-based stain. Oil-based stains can be more challenging to remove because they repel water. Some common examples include grease, butter, cooking oil. They have a typical characteristics of having a greasy or oily appearance, may have a darker color than the fabric, and they often feel slick or slippery to touch. The next type of stains are protein-based stains. Protein-based stains require specific enzymes to break them down. Common examples are blood, sweat, dairy products. They have typical characteristics such as they usually appear as dark or yellowish spot, can have a crusty or stiff texture when dried, and they often have an odor, especially if not treated promptly. Lastly, there are stains which are known as combination stains. Combination stains contain multiple types of substances, making them complex to treat. Common examples include lipstick, makeup, and they have characteristics, can have both oily and pigmented components, may appear as colored spot with a greasy texture, or often require multi-step cleaning process. So these are the four types of stains we just covered. So in conclusion, identifying the type of stain on your fabric is the first critical step in effective stain removal. By understanding the characteristics of water-based, oil-based, protein-based, and combination stains, you can choose the appropriate cleaning methods and products to tackle each one effectively. Acting promptly and using the correct techniques not only helps in preserving the quality and appearance of your garments, but also ensures more efficient, eco-friendly cleaning. Remember, the key to successful stain removal lies in accurate identification and timely action. Thank you for watching WaterFresh.in. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tips on eco-friendly cleaning. Until next time, keep your clothes fresh and clean with WaterFresh. Thank you.